Hey guys, I am here at Creativation, trade show for the Association for Creative Industries, and we're gonna go check out the DecoArt booth and all of the cool new products they have here this year. So you ready? Let's go! First up, let's check out the all-new Galaxy Glitter. This brand new glitter paint is loaded with different size and colored glitter flakes for a super sparkly finish. The DecoArt booth was filled with great ideas for using that out-of-this-world sparkle. It creates beautiful craft, party, and home decor items with lots of sparkle and not a lot of mess. Yeah.
I mean, it's on that product.
It's not
moving.
No. Next up, it's DecoArt Stylin. Stylin is a multi-surface fashion acrylic that works great with leather, canvas, vinyl, and a whole lot more. That makes Stylin the perfect choice for decorating shoes, bags, belts, and all kinds of fashion accessories, and the DecoArt booth was just filled with beautiful examples. But my favorite thing about Stylin is how well it wears. It's flexible so it won't crack, peel, or flake.
But I mean, it's just incredible the way it feels. It becomes part of that surface.
One of the biggest craft trends happening right now is paint pouring. So next, let's check out DecoArt's pouring medium and clear pouring top coat. Simply mix the pouring medium with your favorite DecoArt paints to get the ideal consistency for paint pouring and to create beautiful cell effects.
But the cells, that's key when you're doing a pour. That's what everybody wants.
Yeah.
And a lot of people will mix again the silicone and coconut milk and all these crazy things to get
like lighters.
I know to get this effect, and it's just the DecoArt pouring medium.
That's all you need. The DecoArt Clear Pouring Top Coat is a one-step process that gives you a lacquer-like, high-gloss finish. It's also self-leveling and non-yellowing to give you that perfectly clear and smooth surface. Next up, the newest members of the So Soft Fabric Paint family. Let's check out So Soft Fabric Glitters and So Soft Fabric Metallics. These paints are perfect for creating metallic and glittery designs on fabric that are soft and flexible to the touch.
This is the kind of magic on this, is it's not crunchy, it doesn't crack.
It's not going to crack and craze.
And these new So Soft fabric paints work really well with these cute new fabric stencils.
I need the salty.
More fun products include the new Blacklight neon paints, which glow under a black light, and DuraClear iridescent varnishes, which seal your project and give them a beautiful shimmery iridescence at the same time. I hope you guys had as much fun touring the DecoArt booth as I did. Thanks to DecoArt for hosting us, and to Sandy McTeer for showing us around. Until next time, happy making. Bye!